How to buy Amazon gift cards online. What is up, everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can quickly buy Amazon gift cards. Let's just jump right into the video. Open up your web browser first, and then go to the search bar, search for Amazon.com, and hit enter. Now, just make sure that you are logged into your account. And right on your home screen, you can see different kinds of gift cards on this banner. You can directly click on Shop All Gift Cards or just search for a specific one. So I'm going to go to the search bar and simply search for Amazon gift card. And I'm going to hit enter. Now it will show me a different kind of gift cards. So these are all of e-gift cards. So it's not going to be a physical card, but you should be getting the gift card code on your email. So I'm just going to click on the first one. So here's a gift card. You can select the gift amount from $5 all the way up to $2,000. So I'm just going to go ahead and select something like $50. That's pre-selected here. You could choose the design logo as well, and you can manually enter the amount as well. So if I want a specific amount, I can enter it. And then if you want it to be email, click on email, or if you want it to be text message, you could send an SMS message to their phone number. I'm going to just click on email. If you wanted to email yourself, you could do that and enter your own email. But if you want to gift it to someone, you could do that as well and enter their email address. So it will ask you if you're buying for yourself. If so, just choose this option, and here you can enter a customized gift message as well. And from here, select the delivery date. Once that is done, go ahead and click on next, and then you can check out. You can directly go to add to cart or buy now. And if you click on this buy now option, you will be taken to the checkout page. Just add your credit or debit card for payment and enter the code here if available. You'll get a discount and you should be good to go. If you found the tutorial helpful, be sure to like the video down below and subscribe. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.